Welcome back to the Amazing Life of Moss. My name's Moss.
And today we are making, I do not know how to do this. We're making lemonade.
Welcome to lemonade in my house.
Celeste! Redo it.
Go.
Today,
Go.
It's ruined.
No, it's not. Go.
Today we are making lemon.
Welcome back to the Amazing Life of Moss. My name's Moss.
And today we are making, I do not know how to do this. We're making lemonade.
All right. Cool.
I'm doing it.
There you go, bro.
Can I try? Can I do it? And today I'm going to squeeze lemonade in my eye.
Are you excited about the lemonade?
I can try.
Celeste, are you excited about the lemonade?
Yeah.
Take your time. Be careful, okay? You gotta smash it down. There you go.
And can I try soon?
This is actually pretty fun.
So next, I'm going to make
This is,
sugar.
we only can
1
do the
3/4 cups sugar.
Can you please put it in?
Freshly squeezed 9 lemons. Minus maybe 1 or 2, since Celeste dumped the juice. It was an accident. What do you think, Joe?
And now
Okay, so now we are adding water, 7 cups.
7 cups.
done. Now I got the 2 lids out.
Dude, I don't know that we're gonna have enough room. We still gotta add the sugar. All right, I got a plan. We'll dump this back into this with the sugar water, and we'll just keep mixing it back and forth, and then we'll have 2 containers of lemonade. Bam.
Yeah!
Let's go. Now we are adding hot water.
So it was 1 3/4 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water to make the simple syrup. That's pretty much sugar water, kids.
Why do we need syrup?
Kool-Aid.
Well, because we're going to make it delicious.
Yeah, this is syrup
Alright.
water.
This is the only way we can really do it because it's like magic. It's like bartending for kids. Uh-oh. You see.
Can I doing some?
Whoa.
Can I doing some?
Can I try?
Yeah.
You clearly have enough for everybody.
Well, that was the idea.
Hey! You grapes? And the man said no. We only sell lemonade.
And then the duck said, "I'll pass." Does he want to do it? Wow. To the very next bum 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 ba-dum. Then the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and then he said to the man,
Run in the stand. Hey, man.
Got any grapes?
and then the man said no. Then what? Then said.
But we got fresh squeezed lemonade.
And he said, "How pass?" And he waddled away.
Hey.
Guys, this is actually pretty good. I made it.
Yesterday, we just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try? The duck said, goodbye.
Goodbye. Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Then he waddled away.
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Then he waddled away.
Waddle, waddle, waddle.